Hello everyone and welcome to today's episode where we'll be talking about 5 reasons for you to choose Unity in 2021 as the best game development software out there, and hopefully by the end of this video you decide to download Unity. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be talking about is pricing. Unity comes with both a free and paid version. The free version is feature complete, which means it has all the features you will need in game dev, and therefore you don't even have to pay a penny and get to save all that money for yourself. And this is very beneficial as a new game developer. As you use it over time, you may decide to purchase the paid version, which is totally up to you. One of the major differences is that you don't have to have the full amount of devices that your app can be deployed to. Okay, so the second reason is that it's multi-platform. Unity supports over 20 game platforms such as iOS, Mac, Linux, Android, Nintendo, PlayStation, Xbox, Stadia, and many more. All these can be used as plus sites when developing your game for the market. We can also add new extra revenue. Know that this can only be done using the Plus or Pro version. The free version only supports 9 platforms, which is quite a lot since most games are most likely to stick to a few out of the 9. Our third reason here I would like to talk about is monetization. Now, Unity has its own advertisement system, which means any mobile game or app you develop with it can be monetized. With the help of Unity, you and your team can build up and expand your business and therefore earn more revenue. The fourth reason is the asset store. Now, the asset store is a great resource you can use as an indie game developer or a beginner on your own. You can get all the free and paid assets all available there, which is a great way to boost up your productivity and skills, which also helps you out in a very great way. It saves a lot of time for making your own personal assets. This can help you, especially when participating in game jams or making games with low amounts of time. Okay, so the fifth and final reason is scripts and languages. In Unity, you can script with 2 different languages, that is C# and JavaScript. C# is a very easy to use programming language that is supported by Unity. When you have any programming language experience with a web application like Scratch, it will be very easy for you to succeed in writing C# code. Yes, I know Unity did JavaScript a while ago, but if you're still interested in using it, you can download Unity 2018 and below. You will still get access to all the Unity features you need, so that shouldn't be a problem. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.